Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset on this device. This is really useful if you're selling the device on to somebody, or if you're giving it away to maybe a family member or a friend. What this does is it wipes the device totally clean, so it's going to remove everything, absolutely everything. It's going to remove all your social media account details that you may have been logged into, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. It's going to remove the whole of those accounts. It's also going to remove your bank account details and things of that nature. Also, it's going to wipe all your applications and all your data, all your videos, pictures, everything. So everything's going to be lost. So I highly recommend, before you actually do this, just be sure to back up any pictures or videos onto a thumb drive, or just connect your phone to the PC and drag and drop your pictures and your videos onto your desktop. Just keep them safe, because like I said, this is going to wipe the device totally clean. So once you've made up your mind to perform the factory reset, just go ahead and follow what I'm about to do now. Just pull down the notifications and go into settings and scroll down to where it says general management. Select it, then select reset. Okay, if you're not selling the device on or giving it away, but you want to reset your device back to its default settings and keep all your applications and data and files, you can just select this option here, reset settings to their defaults. So like I said, if you select this option, it will just reset the phone back to its default settings, but you will still keep all your applications, files and data and all of that good stuff. If you have problem with like your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth networks, just select this reset network settings option here, and that will fix any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection problems. But if you want to go ahead and do the factory reset, what's going to wipe the device totally clean, this is the option to select here, factory data reset. So it explains exactly what it's going to do here. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. So I'm just going to select it. And once again, factory data reset, all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, and other user data. So just going to hit reset, and one last time here, factory data reset, all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. So remember, back up all your important files, videos, pictures, phone numbers, all of that good stuff, because once you select this option, it cannot be recovered. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed, delete all. And now it's just going to do the wipe. So it's erasing everything off the phone right now. And the phone's rebooting. Okay, so the first boot takes a while. Okay, so if you're keeping the device, you will have to go through the whole setup process again. If you're giving the device away or if you're selling it on, from here you can just hold down the power button and hold on. Okay, so if you're keeping the device like I says, you can go through the whole setup process again, but if you're selling the device on or giving it away, from here you can just hold down the power button and power it off, and then just put it away back in its box and sell it on to whoever you're selling it on to, or give it to whoever you're giving it to. So if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other Note 10 videos. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Deuces.